Hi everyone, how are you? This is Shivankar Burman on channel Fun, Fight and Learn. Today we are gonna learn how to check our computer details, including graphics, memory, hard drive, RAM, etc. Everything else. Um, Many of you probably know this, but this video is for those who does not know how to check computer details. Okay, so how are we gonna do that, right? If you go to the my computer icon, or this PC icon, if you have Windows 7 then you have probably computer, if you have Windows XP then you have my computer, and if you have Windows 10 then you have this PC. Okay, and if you don't have this icon, this PC, then you can simply bring it on by clicking right click and go to personalize. Here you can see themes and you can see desktop icon setting. Okay, and if you just click here computer and apply and OK, and you will get this icon. Okay, we can see this PC, right? So if you simply click, if you simply right click here and go to properties, then we'll get some details, right? See, view basic information about your computer. There's simple details. You have processor, select RAM, system type, etc, etc. But it is very little. We need to know more, right? So how we can get more details about our computer? We have to go to the start menu. If you have to click the start menu, and we have to type system. If we type system, okay, then we will get this desktop app. It's called system information. Okay, now if we don't get that, then we have to type the enter name, system information. If we type the enter name of this program, system information, then we will definitely get that. Now we have to click that. Now after you click that, a window will open which contains our system details. Okay, now we're gonna zoom it a little, zoom in. So you see, we can see OS name, version, etc, etc, manufacturer, everything. But where is the other details, right? The other details is contained here. Here we can see plus sign. Okay, hardware resources, components, software environment. Okay, so if we click the plus sign beside component, then we will get a list of our components. Contains our sound device, display, input, storage, everything. Okay, so I'm gonna click display now. Okay, if I click display, there is refreshing system information, and we will get the graphics properties of our computer, graphics details. You see, our graphics name is AMD Radeon HD 7420G, and we have 512 adapter RAM. I mean, this is my dedicated graphics. Okay, but it is not the end. We have to be sure. Okay, we have to check something else to be sure that this is my dedicated graphics, right? So this is my resolution, etc, etc. Now I'm saying this for those who does not know much about computer. This graphics properties is very important. Okay, you have to check it in two places, here and another place. I will show you that. There is my input device, modem. I have no modem. There is storage. This is my hard disk properties. You You can see hard disk properties here. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the display setting and minimize that, because we're gonna check something else. We're gonna check our dedicated memory. Okay, so how can we get that? So if in the desktop, we have to right click and we have to go to display setting. Okay, and then we go to advanced display setting, and then we have to go display adapter properties. Display adapter properties. Okay, you see we get a window. Okay, here we can see dedicated video memory 512 megabyte. Okay, so it is a mess of our previous setting. Okay, here we can also see my adapter RAM is 512 megabyte, right? So if this is a mess for you, then you have a dedicated graphics card and you are good to play many games. Okay, your graphics card is good. If you can have 1 GB or 2 GB or maybe 4 GB. Okay, and this is my total 248 megabyte. Now if you don't have this display setting option, you can go to personalize. Okay, you can go to personalize or resolution. Okay, if you go to that, then you can go to themes, then you can go to theme setting, then you have to go display, then you have to go advanced display setting, and then you have to go display properties. Okay, this is a long way, but it's to the work. See, you still get that graphics properties. Okay, there is another way. If you click in Windows 10, if we right click the start button, we will get a list of function. Here we have to go to the control panel. If you have Windows 7, you can simply click the start menu and go to control panel from this menu. Okay, here we will click display. Okay, if you don't see this option, you have to click here view by, you have to click large or small. Okay, and you will see that display. Then we will go to change display setting. There advanced, there we can see display adapter properties. Okay, the point is you have to find the display setting. Okay, and change the display setting, and you have to find this advanced display setting and adapter properties. Okay, no matter what you do, you have to find this option. See, display adapter properties. Okay, and then you can find this option. Okay, here you will see your exact graphics properties. Okay, we have discussed it enough. Now we will close that. Another easy way to bring on the system information window is to go to run and click msinfo32.exe. Now how do we do that? We can simply in the keyboard, you can simply click the Windows button and R to bring on the run window, or we can right click the Windows button, right click, okay, not left, and go to run. See, now here we have to type msinfo32.exe and click OK, and we will get the system information option, and we can check everything we need, right? Everything. It's everything you need. And another way to check our computer details is to run the DirectX diagnostic tools. Now how do we do that? We have to bring on the run command, and we have to type dxdiag. Okay, I'm zooming in it for you. You see, dxdiag, right? Now click OK. We'll get a window and it's called DirectX Diagnostic Tools. Okay, here we can see our computer details. Okay, our memory, RAM, processor, BIOS, system model, everything. There is a next page option. You can even save all information from here, and there is display. Okay, in the display we can see our display name, our total approx total memory. Okay, so this is a little odd. I have 2048 megabyte total graphics, but here we can see 2034 megabyte, right? So it's nothing. Okay, a little less is not a problem. Okay, it is, but if you have a big difference, then it is a problem. There is sound, there's input, everything. Okay, so this is the way I know to check computer details. So if you guys have another way to check your computer details, don't forget to comment on the comment section. So guys, I believe all of you can check your computer details now. So go check out your computer details, see if it's okay or not. I'll be back with another video in the next week with some other computer work. If you liked my video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and if you have any question, be sure to comment in the comment section. So I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.